So guys, from this video we are going to start theory of machines, SSC JE syllabus, and this one is the first video of theory of machines. So in this video we are going to learn some concepts of simple machines, and here I am discussing 6 simple machines. So let's start our video. So a simple machine has few or no moving parts. Simple machine makes work easier. So here there are 6 types of simple machines. First one is inclined plane. This one is the simplest form of machines. And the second one is screw. And after that wedge, lever, pulleys and wheels and axles. These are the very simplest machines. And if we use combinedly these machines in different way, then we can make a complex machines like CNCs or others or lathe machines we can make by using these things. So now, what are wheels and axles? So the wheel and axles are simple machines, as we can learn. The axle is a rod that goes through the wheels, which allows the wheel to turn. Gears are form of wheels and axles. So these gears can be formed like an axles or wheels, because we are using these gears for connecting or disconnecting. So these are the very simplest machines. Now, what are pulleys? So as we know, pulleys are used for changing the directions. So pulleys are wheels and axles with a groove around the outside. A pulley needs a rope, chain or belt around the groove to make it to do work. So this one is also a simple machine. And now inclined planes. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is higher or one end. So inclined plane can be used for easier work when we have to go from up to down. We are taking less work, we are doing less work. So that is also a simple machine. Now wedge, which is used for cutting the woods, and we can say like two inclined planes joined back to back. As you can see in this example, there are two inclined planes, those are joined back to back, and weights are used to split things. As you can see, we are splitting a wood part. So these are the also some simple machines. Now screws. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a shaft or cylinder. The inclined plane allows the screw to move itself when rotated. So we are using screw for down movement, and because of these screws we can tight it. So this is also a form of simple machine. Now levers are also simple machines. In first class lever, the fulcrum is in middle. So they are of 3 types of levers. We are getting 3 types of levers because of their fulcrum, which is used here in this example. So in first class levers, the fulcrum is in the middle and the load and effort on either side. As you can see in the example, fulcrum is in middle and the force and the efforts they are either sides. Things of seesaw type shape. Now the second class of levers. In second class lever, the fulcrum is at the end. As you can see here, we are using fulcrum at either end with the load in the middle, and we are using load at the middle like a wheelbarrow. Now in third class of levers, the fulcrum is again at the end, as you can see here, but the effort is in middle like a tweezers. So tweezer is perfect example for third class of levers. So as you can see, simple machines can be put together in different ways to make complex machines. At the background image you can see we can make machines by using the simple tools. So that is all about simple machines. I hope you understand what are these simple machines.